Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining us. My name's Chris, and this is actually our 29th Udemy course. We're actually doing this course on how to barbecue a brisket because you guys requested it. We did a previous one on how to barbecue ribs. And when I'm talking barbecue, I'm not talking grilling, I'm talking slow smoking. This particular brisket here is going to take at least 12 hours smoking. We're gonna separate the point from the flat, and then we're going to cook them to get a good bark on it, which should take about 5 to 6 hours. And from there, we're going to wrap it, and then we're going to put it back on the smoker until it's tender. And I'm going to guess, judging on the weight of this, it's going to take about 7 hours that way. So if you're interested in smoking brisket, I highly suggest sticking around. We smoke meat a lot, and I've done one other course, like I said, on this. We have a lot of courses on cooking courses and cryptocurrency courses and whatnot. But this particular course, we're going to be talking about brisket. So if you want to know how to separate a brisket and how to trim a brisket, how to prepare it, how to smoke it, different seasonings to add, different techniques, you might be able to get something from this course. So I hope you stick with us, and I hope you enjoy this course coming up.